Before we discuss number 3, you have to understand converse property. Look at example A. 10 is less than 24. How to write converse property? 10 on the left, 24 on the right. When you want to write converse property, you write 24 on the left and then 10 on the right. You write opposite way. And then to write here less than or greater than symbol, you think which number is big, which number is small. 24 big, 10 small. So the open mark near to the big number. The open mark near to 24. So now you can say 10 is less than 24. And then the other one is 24 is greater than 10. These two are equivalent. Okay, next B. Given negative 4 is greater than negative 13. How to write the converse property? You write opposite. You write negative 13 first, after that negative 4. And then you think about the symbol, less than or greater than symbol. As usual, when you have two negative numbers, you use positive numbers first. 13 and 4. 13 big, 4 small. So 13 big, the open mark near to 13. And then this one only to help you. But when you want to write your answer, you write opposite symbol. Greater than symbol, but your answer you write opposite symbol, that is less than symbol. So negative 4 is greater than negative 13 and negative 13 is less than negative 4 are equivalent. Okay, now you can try to answer number 3. Circle true or false for the following statement. Number 1, 12 is greater than negative 8. Is equivalent to negative 8 is less than negative 12. So you are given two inequalities and then you decide whether these two are equivalent or not. Okay, so first, 12 is greater than negative 8. You find the converse property. Okay, how? You write opposite way. You write negative 8 first, after that you write 12. And then you think you want to put what symbol? Negative 8, negative number. Negative number always small. So the close mark near to the small number. So these two inequalities are equivalent. 12 is greater than negative 8 and negative 8 is less than 12 are equivalent. But the given inequality is different. Negative 8 is less than 12 is your converse property, but the given converse property is negative 8 is less than negative 12. Is it same? Negative 8 is less than negative 12, and then the other one is negative 8 is less than 12. Different, right? Different. So you only can say these two inequalities are equivalent, but you cannot say 12 is greater than negative 8 and negative 8 is less than negative 12 equivalent. So this statement is false. So you write false. The correct answer is negative 8 is less than 12. Okay, can you understand? Okay, try. Number 2. Negative 11 is greater than negative 19. Is equivalent to negative 19 is less than negative 11. Okay, you try to find your converse property first. Negative 11 is greater than negative 19. You write opposite. You write negative 19 first. After that, you write negative 11. And then you think you want to put what symbol. Okay, if you cannot think because you have two negative numbers, you write positive numbers first. 19 and 11. 19 big, so the open mouth near to 19. And then when you want to write your answer, you write opposite symbol. Greater than, but here you write opposite symbol, that is less than. Okay, these two inequalities are equivalent. Negative 11 is greater than negative 19 and negative 19 is less than negative 11. These two are equivalent. Okay, so your converse property that you get is negative 19 is less than negative 11. Look at the given converse property. Negative 19 is less than negative 11. Is it same? The given converse property and the converse property that you get? Yes, same. So, this statement correct. So, you write true. Okay, try. Last one, number 3. Negative 20 is greater than 15. Is equivalent to 20 is greater than negative 15. Okay, you write your converse property first. Negative 20, you write 15 first and then you write negative 20. 15 big, negative 20 small because negative number small. So the open mouth near to the big number, near to 15. Okay, look at the converse property that you get and the given converse property. Same or not? Different. So different. So your answer is false. Negative 20 is greater than 15 and the converse property that you get, 15 is greater than negative 20. Yes, these two equivalent. But the given one, negative 20 is greater than 15 and the given converse property, 20 is greater than negative 15, not equivalent. So this statement false because this statement said these two inequalities equivalent. So the statement wrong. The statement is false. Question number 4. Mark tick on the correct statement and cross for the false statement. Number 1. If x is greater than 15, thus x plus 4 is greater than 19. Is it correct, this statement? Okay, first, you take x plus 4 is greater than 19 first. So you write and then you try to move any numbers so that you can get x is greater than 15. Okay, try. X, you bring down x and then greater than you bring down, 19 you bring down. But this positive 4, you move to the right side becomes minus 4. And then x, you bring down x. Greater than sign also same. But this one you find answer. 19 minus 4 is equal to 15. And then look at your answer that you get. X is greater than 15. And the given one also same. X is greater than 15. So you can tick because same answer. Next, number 2. Negative y divide 9 is greater than negative 7. Bring down negative y, bring down negative y. But this divide 9, you move to the right, becomes multiply 9. The rest you just bring down. So now negative y, and then greater than, negative 7 times 9 becomes negative 63. Okay, look at your answer. Negative y is greater than negative 63. And look at the given one. Negative y is less than negative 63. Different. Your answer is greater than. The given one is negative is less than. So different. So this one you cross. Next, number 3. If y is greater than 15, thus y multiply negative 2 is more than negative 30. Okay, you take this one first. Y multiply negative 2 is greater than negative 30. You write first. And then you try to move any numbers. Y you bring down. And then multiply negative 2. You want to move to the right. Becomes divide negative 2. But if divide negative number, the symbol greater than change into less than, because multiply negative number, move here becomes divide negative number. If divide negative number or multiply negative number, this symbol you have to change. So continue, y comes y, less than also same, but this one the answer is 30 divide 2, 15. Negative, negative same, so becomes positive. Positive, no need to write. Look at your answer. Y is less than 15. Is it same as the given one? Y is greater than 15. Different. So this statement is wrong. So you write, you cross. Last one. If negative x is less than 18, thus negative 8 minus 5 is less than 13. You take this one first and then you write, and then you try to move negative x, negative x. Negative 15 you move become positive 5. So negative 5 you move become positive 5. And then the rest same, just bring down. So now you can find your answer, negative x, and then 13 plus 5, 18. Negative x is less than 18. Is it same with the given statement? Yeah, negative x is less than 18. Same. So this statement is correct. So you tick.